Alrighty, folks. Today we're going to do just a short stream. It's going to be showcasing or highlighting. I'm going to combine those words. A PinSound mix from Stephen Candell. He goes by Scandell on Pinside, and starting to work with him a little bit on a custom PinSound mix that he has. Speaking of which, got a PinSound for my Simpsons for my birthday, so that will be my my new foolish endeavor, is trying to help create custom mixes and stuff. And he was only able to do about a 30-second thing from his phone, so I thought I'd try to do a stream just so people can get a little more of a taste of it. And I'll get some parts ordered and do some direct audio in a future stream sometime later. But in the meantime, we'll throw this up, see what happens. Could be 5 minutes, could be half an hour, could be 3 hours, who knows. I'd guess somewhere under an hour, but let's do it. So one of the first things you'll notice is, different audio, obviously throughout, but hopefully it's hard to see it, hard to hear it on the stream, but the quality of the audio is significantly better.
Hurry up, dingus!
All right.
From now on, we'll be spelling everything with letters.
Shoot the right orbit!
Maybe I should stick to my day job.
So one thing I should call out as well is that so Stephen had a lot of the stock sounds dropped down. In this case, I brought those back up just so they'll you can actually hear some of them, because for some places he hasn't replaced all the call-outs or all the music or whatever. So you'll hear some disjointedness in the sound. It's a work in progress, so be kind.
This is more enjoyable than the work of my children.
Back.
I don't worry, except after sleep.
Well, easy deasy.
Alto. Ah. So now that is, for those familiar with The
I'm going to
Simpsons,
get back around. A piece of my mind.
this is actually the hurry-up music.
Stay on target.
So if you're a Simpsons fan, you'll recognize this as the Land of Chocolate audio. So this is what he replaced the hurry-up music with.
You never make it.
Oh, jeez, I didn't hit a single crusty shot. That's the other thing, is I'm just trying to get used to the new audio prompts. The one thing that the stock package does really well is let you know what you need to do once you know those sounds. So.
Whoa, Susan, you're a psychedelic.
Oh. Ah.
That was totally awesome.
All right.
I salute you, sir.
I am the...
Dude.
I will indeed flap those flippies.
Shoot the right orbit!
Comic book guy's secret stash.
All right.
Nary an animal alive that can outrun a grease footman.
it's not direct audio. Again, I got to get a hardware doodad to make that happen. So really, all you're getting is just the audio off this guy. So.
Maybe I should stick to my day job.
Certainly nailed that one.
Open sesame.
Be more horrible if possible.
Ah, crap.
World in a better place before pants.
Oh, damn it.
To get Blado.
Yeah, I was surprised. Even with the stock audio mix, the PinSound actually has a lot of ability to tweak treble, bass. The sub is actually crossed over, so it's pretty sweet. Yeah, that is the land of chocolate music. Oh, lost the camera there.
Come on, I'll wager you cannot do that again.
What the hell? Let's replug here. I think that was the one. There you go. Oh.
Hurry up, dingus.
Working on it. There we go. That's weird. I don't know why that guy went missing. But, oh well. So just a touch. But yeah, I'm not sure if you were on D before I mentioned this, but there's going to be some disjointedness in it, right? It's still a work in progress, and I went and boosted a bunch of levels of stuff, and so it's did sort of a batch apply. So some of the levels are going to be out of whack, and it's going to be some things that stomp on each other, but wanted to give people at least a taste of what it is, what's going on with it.
Just leave the driving to me, dude.
I will say that is one nice thing is hearing new callouts after all this time. Definitely refreshes the game.
Come again.
You solved the puzzle! Nerd!
No!
Think less, produce more. Well, if it isn't Homer's
I'll let this
Simpson.
play.
Chief Wiggum!
Was an accident. Move aside. Official police recklessness.
God, suckers!
I don't have to chase yet.
So that's a whole custom thing he put in there, and then this music obviously is different too.
Where do you see? Stinking!
This is whistling.
Just leave the driving to me, dude.
Not sure, but I think I heard him make Bane dough in there somewhere.
Hit the town.
Ah, come on. IR good at pinball.
Duckman is here to refill your beer.
Oh, damn it.
Hey,
Help if I light lock before I do that.
Dead clown. Why do you torment me?
Slow down to the right, please.
Duckman is here to refill your beer.
Yeah, the way the PinSound works is kind of interesting. For each event, there's a unique ID to it. So whenever you build the sound packages, you set the directories starting with those numbers.
The unthinkable has happened here. A superfood has fallen.
Jeez, that was loud. And then you can
TikTok, time is almost out. You morbidly obese freaks.
so you could put more than one call out for a given event. So you can even have it randomize those, you know, as those events trigger, which is pretty cool. So you have a little less call out fatigue.
Why you torment me so?
Oh shit.
Gotta admit, the Japanese make a heck of a DVD player.
Sorry, but I'm bleeding from a recent gunshot wound.
Damn it.
No!
Ah.
Oh, thank you. Come again.
Did I get it? Ah.
The party bus.
Oh no, I think I resurrected it. No, I didn't. Almost hit audio one time to resurrect that.
Eat my dust, dust eaters.
Thank you for the swap save compliments.
Out of my way.
Yeah. Not quite sure why he put Canyonero song in for this one, but it's funny to hear it. Ah.
Even though I totally missed you.
Clancy's got you now.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, there's a nice call out for the Wiggum mode. It's like, you know, there's a code bad thing in progress or something like that. It's pretty funny.
Ah, sweet victory with the pride. Smell you later.
Really humbled by your presence.
Ah. Oh. Hey, Lazarus. No, I'd ball
Eat my
save.
dust, dust eaters.
The world was a better place before pain.
Climb on in, dude.
Yeah, it does. It does give it a good refresh. Yeah, and the nice thing is, there's nothing keeping you from putting other ones in there, or other people, you know, having their mixes and all that kind of stuff. So. You know, the whole thing's just a big giant, you know, directory. So it's pretty easy for anybody to take a mix, download it, add their own stuff, and provide that back. You know, songs and other stuff are kind of the hard part, but you know, anybody can go find clips from the show and drop them in there and add new call-outs. So, be interested in seeing if other folks pick up and start adding things.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, mi stomaco.
Yeah, come on.
Open sesame.
Well, that's interesting. Something gave me a free ball walk there.
Springfield monorail.
Oh, yeah, I want to trap up on this.
You know, a town with money's a little like the mule with a spinning wheel. No one knows how he got it, and danged if he knows how to use it. As a cloud. Is there a chance the track could bend? Not on your life, my Hindu friend.
What about the spring-dead slobs?
You'll be given cushy jobs.
Were you sent here by the devil?
No good, sir. I'm on the level.
Take my pension, and I swear it's Springfield.
You are.
Throw up your hands and raise your voice. What's it called?
Well, well, if it isn't Homer Simpson.
Chief Wiggum.
And cutting off the monorail song. Sorry about that.
Represent.
Break him away, toys.
What'd you say, Chief?
Dog, Tucker.
Pie caking. Never heard of pie caking. Presuming the spirit of turducken. Triple drain, thank you. Good night. Ah, come on. Ah, damn it.
We make it.
It's time for idiot.
Jeez, dough frenzy and all kinds of crap going on here. I leave you trapped up there. Yep, guess we can't.
Why don't we make it?
Oh, now Itchy Scratchy started, yes. Letting that one go. No. Ignoring all those so I can get this. Yes, extra ball. Oh my god. Worst pinballer ever.
Dad, why do you torment me so?
That's weird. What mode does it think I have going on? Oh, I guess this is called the monorail. That's right, I had monorail going. How about that? Finish monorail.
That was there.
Alto. I'm not sure I'm entirely sold on the land of chocolate for the hurry up. Doesn't have a hurry up feel.
Dad, why do you torment me?
I don't know what else you'd use from The Simpsons, though, is the problem.
You croquet playing mint muncher?
That's one I added. That.
Shoot the right too.
No!
I'm working on it.
Let's hit the
Ah, come on. Nope.
Nope.
Damn it. Cannot hit that shot. There we go. Finally.
Oh, trouble your mother.
Rattly, but it got there.
No! Dad, why do you torment me so?
I'm going to get back around. Go.
Boom. I'll save that one. Oh, actually, I don't know why I did that.
Comic book guy's secret stash.
Ah, oh man. I don't know how the hell I saved that. It's clip worthy.
I should give you a fucking nerd pitch.
Open sesame.
Oh man. I got hardly anything TV mode wise. Need to get going on that. More Land of Chocolate.
Shoot the right orbit.
Yeah, I did. I don't know how I got that one back.
Come on,
Got that one out of
sorry,
there, but
but
it works.
really think
Oh
about the
no!
reason you won't stop moving. Oof.
Good job. Now pumice my feet.
Oh,
Oh man, too bad they cut that off. I promise my feet. Alright, what do we got here?
little points.
Jumpman is here to refill your beer.
Alright.
Plates before.
Oh, Simpson, you're a psychedelic.
Ah, damn it. Oh, damn it. I hesitated on that. I was going to nudge that over. What are you lolling at? Am I playing or one of the
Here we go
callouts?
again. Never have I seen such excellence.
Oh.
Hide before he eats up after sink.
Ah, for the love of donuts!
When it goes real slow with the hammer down.
Respect the bag!
Snort by clown, Canyonero.
I got a 210 in progress. Officer on his ass.
This slothful behavior is most unbecoming, sir. They are most assuredly intense.
Lanes wide, 65 tons of American
Pride,
Canyonero. Top of the line, sport.
Oh, crap. Ah.
Canyonero.
Ah.
She blinds everybody with a super high beam. So the squirrel profiteers like a driving machine.
Open sesame.
Oh, no. Oh. Well, I got lucky there.
Shoot the left orbit.
That was on the money with exact change, if you please.
Shoot the left orbit.
Alright, need left orbit to finish Wiggum. Alright. Left orbit.
Warp speed.
Ah, way too late. Sure.
Any full impulse power.
Running out of time. Ah, damn it, almost done.
You're paying for my store.
Damn it. Ran out of time on that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the stock system was really limited as far as its capabilities. Probably not just from the length of the samples, but definitely from the quality. Like the stock samples are just, they're all just 8-bit crunchified. They're really bad. One more. Ah, damn it, the course the one I need.
We're going to the garage.
You're the boss.
It's the right orbit.
That's the one I added, that garage one.
Greetings, loyal customers.
Damn it, I need that another ramp shot. Get a free ball.
Thank you. Come again.
Ah, can't hit it now. Get 3 of them in a row, and then can't hit.
Enjoying your moves.
No. Damn it, I suddenly knew that was gonna happen. Stupid.
That was totally awesome.
Oh, here we go again. Whoa, this is a moment of joy for the both of us. Memory zone right.
Ah. Dang it. Can't hit that ramp. I need that ramp to get a 10th duff and get a light extra ball, and almost gave that one away. Shit. There we go.
Is there an alcohol in here?
Driver's license. I
Ay, caramba!
Oh wait, you need
No traffic to the right, please.
a light lock.
I need full impulse power.
Damn it.
Enjoying your moves, sir. Come on in. Sorry, but I'm bleeding from a recent gunshot wound. Oh, you wasted my time. Shoot the right too.
There we go.
I think I can make room in the remaining time. I'm gonna be late, son.
Alright, now I need to hit auto. Restart the timer. There we go. Oh, hey, did I get auto?
Pedestrian.
This must have got him earlier. Didn't realize it. Get around there.
You can let me
Freely here. Be freely.
Shoot the door.
I'm surprised they didn't have the IP freely one in the stock package.
This is not the library.
Comic book guy's secret stash.
Ah, God, that left range heart shot is so hard to hit. Yeah, don't take so much of your time. Ah, come on.
You can't plan make much of it.
I've sold my kidneys 3 times. I have no idea what's keeping me alive.
You can wrap around.
I'm pretty sure there's a dank quote in here somewhere from for Mo as well. Mo, the day!
Ooh, spooky treehouse.
Damn it, I needed that shot earlier.
The section you're supposed to be monitoring is on fire.
Oh, I kept Bart alive.
Nice lucky shot.
Ah.
I'm a genius.
Ah, crap. Ah.
That's great. Don't be too prideful.
Oh, here we go again.
Alright. Yeah, so for those just showing up, what we have here is a custom PinSound package for Simpsons Pinball Party that was made by Stephen Candell. Starting to help collaborate with him on it, but he's done
Please do not dilly-dally, my
everything except for like the 5 or 6 samples I've added. But anyway, trying to help get this over the line so then it can be shared with the community. But thought I'd let everybody get a preview of it since all he's been able to do is share it via his phone. So yeah.
Maybe I should stick to my day job.
All right, Krusty, all right.
Get it all ready.
Ah.
Let's hit the town.
Uh-oh, we got an upset pup. Oh.
Greenfield mystery spot.
World with a better place before.
Let me play this backwards.
Ah, that was one I had. I didn't know if this was something I had.
I will help you if you answer me these questions 3. Question the first.
Solve the puzzle!
There.
Oh, no!
energy into this. Get in there. Come on. Ah, crap. I'm gonna lose that one. Ah, damn it. I thought I had that one. Thought I had that one in itchy scratchy. Ah. Don't do it.
My karate blade. I don't know what that does, so I figure I'm
Get up there. Ah, come on. Cake. That's funny. Block. Yeah, block. Whoa, that had some spin on it. Pay attention up top.
Sorry, but I'm bleeding from a recent gunshot wound.
Ah.
Yeah, why you tormenting yourself?
Shoot the burger.
Look. Alright, fine.
Well, if it isn't
Oh crap,
nice,
that's a chance to take a break.
Come on.
break them away, toys.
What'd you say, Chief?
I think there's a law against that. I'm not
I
sure.
like that from the playfield up top. Check this out.
I'm out of double, so you gotta drink balsamic vinegar.
Jackpot.
Damn it. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Ah, too much. Oh, skipped it. No! Alright, I gotta get this. There we go. Oh crap, I already got that once. Okay. Oh, no. Didn't realize I'd gotten the free ball off that super already. Boom. Oh shit, I got a... Just got a secret stash going on right now too. Oh, and I lost. Ah. I think I got alien invasion qualified though.
I salute you, sir.
Yep, alien invasion's ready. Haven't heard any of the alien invasion quotes since I put this thing in, so this will be good. Oh, secret stash is qualified. Hasn't been started yet. This is good. Take that into alien invasion. That's a nice stack. All right, so let's not screw this up here. Holy crap, I finished a lot of moves. 60. That's good. It's what, 5, I think? I are good at math. 45 plus 15, Doug. Oh, I mean, I was just sitting there staring at that.
Thank you, come again.
Let's see, there's a lot of crap going on here. So for those who haven't seen Alien Invasion before, the intention here is you get to lock 2 balls, then 3 balls, then 4 balls, and then 5 balls. And if you manage to get all 5 locked, then you win Alien Invasion. There's only certain places you can lock the balls, though. So that might be 4 if I can get this. Yes, or no, it's 3, sorry. Now I got 4. So you get some ball save timer to get started, so you want to try to get back up to the very top, if at all possible. Complete the secret stash.
Perhaps this current big safety will suit your fancy. Give to my family and my store.
No! Well, that means I'm back down to 3 balls now.
Watch the master. Brought the door opener again, eh, Homer?
Ah. Well, alright, that counts. I would have preferred to put it in the garage, but... Oh, I got an extra ball. Let that come in.
Ball.
Also been some custom call-out work in. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to, I got 2 balls trapped behind here, so I'm gonna have to hold the start button to let those back out.
Daredevil Mania!
So unfortunately it means I gotta start all 4 of the balls over again. And you don't get the benefit of a revamped ball save timer, which sucks. Attention at the top.
But I didn't get nearly as much money for that little work as I hoped I would.
God, man, I'm just flailing here. God, so I got a lot of time now. Alright, let's get this under control. Try to do something meaningful here. Ah. Get in there. Oh! Oh! Ah, damn it. Regressing, get in there. Yeah, that was in and out too. I might get more itchy and scratchy drops during Alien Invasion. Dang it. Should I finish there?
Thank you. Come again.
World with a better place before pain.
Up top. No. Oh, come on. This is terrible. seconds or something? Yeah. Not gonna happen. Oh well. Cleared out Secret Stash, and I think Daredevil Mania during this. Something. Got something out of it. Alright. Alright. 17 on ball 2. I can deal with that.
Never have I seen such excellence.
Let's see. So we've already done. Oh! We already did Springfield Mystery Spot. Done Alien
Then I
Invasion.
think I went a little farther that done.
I think that was a Mr. Bird's Bobo clip. Oh!
Double bumper!
Quick, take me to the quickie mart.
Documentary on TV about the Electoral College.
Oh! Motto is lit. Time added for the mode I don't even have going right now. Oh, I guess now I do.
I need to go to my workstation. My sleeping bag is there. You okay and playing mix much?
Shoot the bumper!
Oh.
Turn it up.
You know, Bart, as the only adult here, I feel I have to say something. Cool!
Spanish from my school. Greetings, loyal customer.
Whoa! Yeah, I'm thinking that land of chocolate's gotta be replaced with something else. Of course, I mean, the stock sound package is the same problem. You hit hurry up so often, you just hear that same song over and over and over again. It'd be nice to see if there's a way. I don't know if it supports the way it does for callouts. If it supports multiple sets of music. Hopefully it does. There we go. Oh, missed it.
I'm not going to dignify that with a comment.
What am I doing? Rescue?
The world was a better place before we.
Doing Homer. What shot did I have? Must have been. Oh crap! Must have been
Double
couch.
bump!
Ah! Waiting for a call out about the dank. Oh, the dank! Can't give me the Mo, the dank, Mo. Oh.
That Bart has something to do with this.
Look, certainly nailed that one.
How much I can do about that?
Now, nuts!
Oh, here we go again.
Hey, hey!
Ah, I'm trying to sweep them. Didn't work. Ah. Ah, come on. Yeah, D, there is a Matlock call out in here. There's at least one.
Go towards the ranch.
Ah. There we go.
The Japanese make a heck of a DVD player.
God dang it, man. This game's actively trying to kick my butt.
Comic book guy's secret stash.
Nothing dignified as is coming.
Watch the master.
Alright, probably gonna call it after this ball. We'll see.
This is more enjoyable than the work of my children.
Ooh. Slow traffic to the right, please. Up and top.
Alright. Oh! Man. Put on a slap safe clinic.
I do got.
You croquet playing mint muncher?
Crap. Oh my god.
Perhaps the crazy name of my new crazy
Whoa.
combo will appeal to you. Beat the king.
There's nary an animal alive that can outrun a grease Dutchman.
Ah.
Documentary on TV about the Electoral College.
I'm on the party bus. Alright.
Ah, damn it, way too early.
This is not a library.
Eat my dust, dust eater.
Nah.
Shoot the right too.
I just did. Ah. Right. Tough man.
Slow traffic to the right, please.
Ah, come on.
If tough man's eyes could speak, they would say, "Oh yeah." Time's running out. You disgusting sacks of crap.
Jumpman is here to refill your beer. The world was a better place before.
I win! I'm going to celebrate with some possum pie.
Never will.
Shoot the right orbit.
Ah.
Perhaps a little quote-unquote shrimp would dilute.
Ah. Damn it. What a way to go out. Out like a sucker.
Nobody does it better. I bet you play every game on
Alright,
easy.
well, I think that's going to do it for today. Like I said, I'll get hardware and be able to do direct audio, hopefully for next time. So that way we'll be able to have a better mix between me and the sound, and also hopefully we'll get some of the sounds leveled out and stuff by then as well. So anyway, thanks for showing up. Appreciate it.